Lucia, and I do my own videos, and I'm trying to unboxing this right here in my hand. This today's video taught unboxing Apple 11. We go to the Apple store, and that Apple 11 there were colors, red, all different colors, and my sister will do it any minutes with my dad today, and that Apple 11, that below below, and that's actually my channel below, and that's all the YouTubers down bottom. My next video right here, the mystery BBC video, all 3 videos right here. It's so insane right now. And today's video taught about 11 unboxing about 11, and right now I know this thing now working. App right here. There's 2 cameras. There's a camera. The other one is a wide camera, right and wide. and make that picture, make the videos. And right here be flashlights, and right there on top light. And I don't know the light. And then, oh yeah, there's them. And then let's go. Starting with my mind of avatars and avatar. I'm gonna burn my face right now, and never see me in eyelids. Okay? And right, and top right here, like raising your voice. Nothing in here. It's nothing. I'm gonna be careful. And I heard that Apple in California like wait for like 10 hours from here. And I said, hello, and there's that apple citrus. There's it in your phone time. And apple citrus. And make citrus like everything. There's nothing in there. And right here, there's a pen. Look like this. And isn't how to get a pen out? That's like a pen. And then in there, yes, a table. And also where the tiny thing, your tube, USB tube. And there's an AirPods, the iPhone 11, insane. Oh, yeah, this right here, hello thing. I think. Hello. And inside this is like iPhone 11 looks like. And there's looks like to iPhone 11 and it unpause this thing. Hello, the background says art that thing. And that's it. And unbox iPhone 11. There's a look like of 11 Tim was London and Idaho listening boys. Okay, that was it. iPhone 11 unboxing. The phone. Awesome. And thank you for watching to my channel. Down below, down in the description. And this is Alex Wasabi merch. So this AlexWasabi.com down below in the description. There's some other YouTubers in the description too. And I'm in New Hilton right now. And very long. And almost my birthday coming. And when I get up at 11, it's red and my favorite color. There's actually little monsters and an insane video. And see you soon. And be true, be you, be smart, be happy. Don't ever be bully, but to me, people to hurt people's feelings. I really mean. Don't ever tell anyone to break up with girlfriend, boyfriend. Don't do that, hurt people's feelings. That's not your first kiss, your first heartbreak. This one is same videos. Okay, we love you. Thanks for watching to my channel down below. And that's up to my sister, my brother-in-law. The down below dot Henry the rain thing, my sister Rain. And I see you soon. And be you and be true and be you. Alright, go right there on my stuff. Under my room, a mask. Under my room, a mask. Okay? See you right in. You're not remember. You're not smiling. You're doing it wrong. Bye. Love you.